हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू योर ओन यूट्यूब चैनल योर ओन पाठशाला ज्योतिशाला। तो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सभी? आशा करती हूँ आप सभी अच्छे ही होंगे और अपनी पढ़ाई ज़ोर शोर से नहीं कर रहे होंगे, क्योंकि फाइनल एग्ज़ाम सभी स्कूलों के ख़त्म हो चुके हैं और एक दो स्कूल्स के जो बाकी हैं वो ज़्यादा सीरियस एग्ज़ाम्स नहीं हैं, जैसे कि ड्राइंग और बंगाली। तो बच्चे ही नहीं बल्कि पेरेंट्स भी काफ़ी रिलैक्सड हो गए हैं। अभी ये मंथ पूरे चिल करने का है। और जब तक बच्चों के फाइनल एग्ज़ाम्स चल रहे थे, बच्चे ही नहीं टेंशन में थे, बल्कि उनके पेरेंट्स बोथ मदर्स एंड फादर्स इक्वली टेंस थे। और मैं इस वीडियो में मैं थैंक्स कहना चाहूँगी उन सभी पेरेंट्स को जो मेरे साथ जुड़े, जिन्होंने मुझ पर ट्रस्ट दिखाया और अपने बच्चों को फाइनल एग्ज़ाम्स के लिए नहीं बल्कि राउंड द सेशन पूरे सेशन मुझ पर ट्रस्ट दिखाया और अपने बच्चों को मेरे भरोसे छोड़ा कि मैं उनके बच्चों को सही तरह से ट्रेन कर सकूँ, नॉट ओनली ड्यूरिंग द एग्ज़ाम बट राउंड द सेशन. So this is a video of Thanksgiving message to all the parents of the students that I have in my list. Okay, so first of all, that is I showing my gratitude or my gratitude to the parents of Anvay Das, to the parents of Rajdeep Karmakar, to the parents of Navya Behti, to the parents of Vinayak Khandelwal, to the parents of Ashish Khandelwal, to the parents of Dhritans Khandelwal, to the parents of Tanay Agarwal, to the parents of Shreya Das, to the parents of Rick Chakravarti, to the parents of Sandeepan Das, to the parents of Astha Khandelwal, to the parents of Yash Jain, to the parents of, and yes, special thanks I would like to offer, and I would I am very much thankful and I'm very much fortunate that these parents of these students, they showed trust on me. They they had उनको बहुत विश्वास था कि मैं उनके बच्चों को बोर्ड्स दिला पाऊँगी, ICSE बोर्ड्स, ICSE 2025 उनके बच्चों को मैं सक्सेसफुली करा पाऊँगी। ये ट्रस्ट उन्होंने मुझ पर शो किया, ये मेरे लिए बहुत गर्व की बात है। डेफिनेटली मैंने अपने डॉटर को भी एग्ज़ाम दिलवाया है, लेकिन किसी के बच्चे को ये किसी को आप जिम्मेदारी देना कि वो अपने बच्चे को, आपके बच्चे को सक्सेसफुली बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम दिलवा पाए, ये जो ट्रस्ट है ये बहुत बड़ी बात है। तो ये इन बच्चों के नाम जो मैं अभी लेने वाली हूँ, उनके पेरेंट्स को बहुत बहुत थैंक्स है कि उन्होंने मुझ पर ट्रस्ट दिखाया और इन बच्चों ने मेरे साथ बहुत कोऑपरेट किया और बहुत अच्छे से इन लोगों ने अब तक 4 पेपर्स इन लोग दे चुके हैं जो कि मेरे सब्जेक्ट्स थे। Sorry, 3 papers they have already given with me, that is English language, English literature and Hindi, and the 2 more papers left of my subject, that is history and geography, that they are about to give on the 10th of March and on the 12th of March respectively, that is history and geography. That also I hope they will be doing it very well and very successfully. And yes, and definitely when the results will be declared in the month of May, their board results will be declared, I will definitely share their results with you on my YouTube. I was just a guidance, I was just a push to them. Actually they have only worked hard, and very much thankful to their parents, the parents of Shubham Kotak, the parents of Roshni Khandelwal, the parents of Disha Agarwal. So very much thankful. They are my 10th standard batch and the my first batch that who are appearing for the boards ICSE 2025. Yes, and I would again offer special thanks to Mrs. Agarwal that she has joined with me the spoken English course this year, and it's been just 1 month that she has done the spoken English course with me, but she is very much she herself is has great potential, and she is speaking very fluent English along with me. She already knew it, and when she brushed up her English with me, then her English was quite her English is now quite more fluent and more fluent, and she has gained that courage and confidence to deal with this present social cult. And I would request all the audience who are viewing my video this time presently to if you are interested in joining the spoken English classes, especially for ladies, then you can do join, and you can also take the feedback from Mrs. Agarwal. Then she will provide you the feedback, how are the classes and how we carry out the classes, how you will be learning that. Emphasizing on for the ladies to learn the spoken English, because though many must be knowing, but it's been long that you have been not in touch with your with speaking of English. So when your children will, when your children are already studying outside and like doing jobs and all, when they will be posted somewhere or the other, not only in India but abroad, then you will get an opportunity to go and live with them. Then if you have learned the spoken English, and if you have the know-how of the English, then definitely you will have no problem in living there. And also, if you're, whether you're mother of a boy or a girl, wherever your daughter or your son will be married, or wherever they will be pursuing their future prospects, can be in India or can be in abroad. So this is the era of social cult, and which works on the English medium. So if you have if you're getting the opportunity, in your access and it's reachable to you, then do access. Not only to me, you can access to any other platform, but do learn English, because it is the social media cult and it is the English medium cult. And if you will learn it presently, then definitely it will help you in the coming future, because when you will get an opportunity to go abroad or anywhere in India, then you may not have that much of time to learn. So if you will learn beforehand, then it will be good for you. Okay, yes, this was my message to all my for all my students and to all the parents who are related with me, who are connected with me. Please stay tuned and stay connected. And yes, definitely give your feedbacks in my on my this video, so that the others can also get the knowledge of my Jyotishala classes. And also, if you have any grievances also, that also you can share along with me. Okay, heartiest thanks to all the parents and to all the students. Your children are really lovely. They're very cooperative. They're very understanding, and definitely in the coming future they will be great men and women. And definitely all of them, they definitely have a soft corner, and they will be serving the society as well, and as a good citizen of India. So this is my motto, that not only giving them academic knowledge, I don't provide them just the academic knowledge in my classes, that what you come with your books and do your studies and go, but definitely I teach them values as well. And because not only academics will help them grow as a good citizen of India, a good men and women, but moral values are a must. So not only me providing them here, but definitely the parents also are providing. And if they are lacking somewhere, then I request the parents also to guide them in the right direction, channelize their thought process in the right direction, so they turn out to be good citizens of India, thus serving the society. Okay, see you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Stay tuned, stay connected. Thanks a lot. And yes, of course, क्योंकि पढ़ेगा इंडिया तभी तो बढ़ेगा इंडिया. See you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.